This is gonna be bad. This is not gonna happen. What's that snap? You broke my car.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can see, I'm over at Xander 13's.
What's going on, guys?
We came all the way up to Clarksville. Actually, it ain't that far. It's like a little over 2.5 hours, about 2.5 hours. Not that far. But guys, if you don't watch him, I don't know what you're doing. Go watch him. Also, we have Serpent Stain sitting over here. And if you don't watch him, you really need to go watch him because you got some cool cars, and you've got something cool coming.
Something very cool.
Something very cool coming. So guys, you need to go check out his channel. That's one of his babies out there. That's just one of them. He also has a GT350R that he actually track races. And he's good at it. He's not like, you know, an amateur or nothing. He's good at it. So go check him out also. But today we are working on this. Now, if you don't watch Xander's channel, this is his car, and he's actually putting a twin turbo kit from Hellhorse Performance, correct? Yes. Low mount, so yeah, he's getting everything ready. So what we're doing today is he's got everything stripped down, and basically what we're doing today is we're going to put on oil pump gears and crank sprocket. Now, is this a 100% necessity? No. Is it cheap insurance? Yes, because this is a lot cheaper than replacing this if something goes bad. So that's what we're doing today, guys. I have a Gen 1 and Gen 2 video in detail on how to do oil pump gears and how to put everything back in timing, how to pull the chains off. But guys, I'm not gonna go into 100% detail today on this because this engine times the exact same way as a Gen 2. So I'm basically just gonna film the process and everything like that. Xander, are you gonna do a more detailed video?
Yeah, we're gonna give it a little bit more detail for because this is a Gen 3, so there's a little bit of a difference, especially just down here, mostly, I think.
So guys, for those of you that have watched my Gen 2 video, like I said, the timing stuff is all the same. Where it differs is on the Gen 1 and Gen 2, the pickup tube bolts to the oil pump. On the Gen 3, it is made into the oil pan. So what we done is we just dropped the oil pan down. We didn't have to lift the engine up or anything like that. We just dropped the oil pan down. And when you drop the oil pan down, I don't know if you can see, but there it goes right there. You can see I'm moving it around. This slides up into the oil pump. So you need to drop that down so you can get the oil pump off. On the Gen 1 and Gen 2, the bolts go in and you just unbolt it, push the pickup tube down, and pull the oil pump off. So that's the main differences between the Gen 2 and Gen 3. The Gen 1 is totally different, but like I said, I have a video on the Gen 1 also. Now these are all the Mustang engines. The other difference with the Gen 3 is he already has it all off, but it has over here, what's different from the Gen 2 to Gen 3 is this actually has the high pressure fuel pump that's bolted to the top right here, sitting on top of the valve cover. So you do have to remove all that. It's not a big deal. So this is what we're installing.
These are the it's kind of special. These are the new revised oil pump gears and crank sprocket from Boundary. A little bit different. They're machined a little bit different, and that is pretty much the difference between the old ones and the new. And it's cool because they are sealed. They come a little bit oiled up, so we should be good to go. But this is pretty cool because myself and one other YouTuber are really the first ones on YouTube as of this video to actually be installing their revised OPGs. Got these from Hellhorse Performance, and so big shout out to them. But yeah, here we go.
All right, guys, so that's what we're going to do today. And like I said, I'm not going to go into 100% detail. I have the Gen 2 video, and it's pretty much the exact same as far as timing and everything. And I will put that down in the description. If there's anything different that I see with the oil pump or anything like that, I'll hit on also. But go check out Xander's video also. He's got a complete video series on this build. So definitely don't want to miss any video from that. So go check that out. So guys, we're going to get started.
Come All right, guys, so we're going to see what these stock oil pump gears can handle. Oh, man.
Oh, no, what happened?
Nothing.
Nothing. Look at that.
Nothing.
These are the old ones, right? We don't have, this is not the new ones, right?
I hope not.
They don't look as, they
No,
don't look as
those
good
are
as
definitely
these.
not the
No.
new ones.
Yeah,
No,
no.
those are definitely not the new
Yeah,
ones.
see all the scratch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't throw. It's going to take more than that now. Come on.
Hang on, I'm just leading up to the climax, the finale.
Drop about. Yeah, they're done.
Oh, they sounded. I heard it. I heard it.
Nothing?
It's
Cracked.
broken.
Boom!
Cracked right there. Alright guys, so we got all this back together and we've got the oil pan buttoned back up. I didn't do a lot of filming, guys, but if you want to, like I said, I have the Gen 2 video up. Aside from the oil pan and the way the pickup tube goes, it's all the exact same, the timing procedure and everything. But if you want to see a more detailed of this particular car, this Gen 3, go check out Xander's video. He's been doing detailed. I've been talking in the video and we've been discussing key parts of this. So definitely go check out that, or you can refer back to my Gen 2. If you have a Gen 3, you can watch this over on Xander's channel. If you have a Gen 2, come check out my videos, link down in the description. But right now, we're fixing to get this thing, the timing cover back on and everything else back together and get a lot further along.
Oh, yeah.
Make it start looking like an engine again.
Yeah, no, it's a mess still.
Alright guys, we got the harmonic balancer on, we got the valve covers on. He is putting on the high pressure fuel pump, and it's coming along very nicely, guys. But a couple of you are asking my live feed about the installer for the harmonic balancer, and this is what it looks like. You can get these from AutoZone from the rental tool program. Just go down there and get it, then you just rent it, install it, take it back. This bolt right here threads in, and then once it threads in, this nut, you turn this nut to actually push on the harmonic balancer until it is fully seated. So guys, you can go down to AutoZone and get this. I know a couple of you are asking about it, and I just want to let you know that AutoZone does have this, and you can on the rental tool program. But guys, we're coming together. It's almost there. It looks like an engine again. Xander, are you getting happy?
I'm excited. I'm excited.
Can't wait for the turbos, guys. That's the main thing that we're wanting is the turbos. He's waiting on the turbos to get here. He does have some of the kit sitting right here, as you can see, just sitting there waiting on the turbos to get here. He does have the manifolds on. I don't think you can see them. They're tucked up in there. But I cannot wait till this car is done. I can't wait. I can't wait.
It's going to be a riot. Oh my gosh.
He's like, let me see it.
I took over his.
No, it's locked. I thought it was locked.
What's that snap? You broke my car. Oh.
I'm gonna put that in the intro. All right, hold on.
Snap.
There, it's on there now.
That's that.
Hey, we got 3 cameras out.
Oh, buddy.
Look at this, guys. We just got filming. He's filming. I'm filming. We're filming. We're all filming.
Of the content.
Guys,
right
it is very late. Between the BS sessions and actual working on the car, it has somehow got to midnight. And
10 hours of talking, actual like 5 minutes of work.
yeah, it happens. So now we're getting ready to put the intake on. As you see, we got the fans in, the coolant jug in, the ugly one everybody complains about all the time. And now we're fixing to put the intake manifold on. And we still don't have turbos.
Still don't have turbos.
But they're coming. They're coming, guys.
They're coming.
Stay tuned to Xander's channel.
Yeah.
Hopefully I'll get back up here steering some of that also.
You gonna turn mine on?
I don't know how. Your camera's too fancy,
Top
Xander.
There's a top.
Okay,
Yeah.
what do I do?
Yeah, the
On.
button.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's really simple.
And then you gotta push the red button.
Just in case you fall. We're gonna help you, but
So I'm short and the car's in the air. This is gonna be bad.
or
Oh gosh.
A little unorthodox here, but
This is not a good plan. Well, I don't want to step on
anything?
anything. This is not a good idea.
I'm not really sure what you're trying to accomplish here.
This is not going to happen.
Do you just need help putting that there?
I'm short. I mean, I'm not, but
you're short? What am I, a munchkin?
I'm not flexible.
He's trying again, guys.
If I prop my foot just like this, maybe it won't.
Ah, he got it.
Look at that!
He got it.
Hand me that electrical tape, please.
All right, guys. So we have got everything back together. Xander did a phenomenal job. We got everything back together. Guys, it's really late. We've been clowning around, having a blast. As you've seen, Xander climbing inside of his car and to put the intake on. But I've done that. I've been known to do that several times.
Yeah.
But guys, we've been having a blast now. I got Serpent Stings here. Got Xander. And of course, guys, I got to show you something real quick. Serpent Stings is going to do something in his video. You need to go watch it. But check out his car. If you haven't checked out this car yet, or you haven't seen his channel, look at that, guys. This is a 18 GT, and what do you see up there? Guys, this is nitrous. If you want to go see some nitrous content with an 18 S550 Coyote 10R80 car, you need to go check out He's in the Dark. Ah! Go check out Serpent Stings. He's got the nitrous content. Guys, you know, y'all need to turbo nitrous.
Yeah. Let's get it on.
But yeah, guys, so yeah, if you want to go see some nitrous content on a S550, go check out Serpent Stings. And if you want some turbo content, go check out Xander. And if you want supercharger content of some kind, come check out me.
Yeah, we've got it all.
Watch my channel. If you ain't watching my channel, watch my channel. You're on my channel right now. All right, guys, so that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.